Check it out. This is the 2015 to 2017 Subaru Crosstrek Hamilton conversion kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. This beautiful high-resolution 9-inch display has installed in place of the factory radio. It's going to give you wireless CarPlay and Android Auto and a whole lot more. I'm so excited today to show it to you. This is Apple Music. Whether you use Spotify, SoundCloud, Pandora, Apple Music, or any other app, you're going to have access to all of your songs and cover art. This system has 8 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of onboard storage, a high-end Qualcomm processor, and a gold-plated circuit board from Hamilton Motor Company. We spared no expense making these the finest products on the market, so you can be confident they're going to go the distance, just like your Subaru. This is navigation with Apple Maps.
Head northeast on Umstead Parkway.
Siri will read your directions. Large screen navigation is so much safer and better looking with CarPlay than the factory system. We've precision tuned this system to work with your factory microphone. That means Siri can hear you without an issue and phone calls sound great. We're going to come over here now and make a phone call.
Hey, brother.
Hey, brother, I'm calling you from a Subaru. How do we sound?
Sounds really good.
Awesome. Thank you, Eli.
You're welcome.
All of your steering wheel controls will continue to work, as well as your factory backup camera. Shifting to reverse, you can see that now. There's the factory backup camera, and we add a lot of customizations regarding this line and radar. You can have a dynamic line here, and we have support coming in the future for front cameras as well. This device is fully equipped to support front cameras. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel for more content on front cameras. Any app with a CarPlay component will automatically show up here in Apple CarPlay. This is your split screen view where you have Now Playing next to your navigation. And over here is going to be your widgets view from Apple. Apple is adding more widgets in the future, and it's a really nice new feature of CarPlay. Outside of CarPlay is even more exciting to some folks. This is the Hamilton underlying operating system. If you had music playing, you'd see it playing here. And we can select from dynamic apps that appear on the widgets page here. You can add a 4G SIM card from T-Mobile into the SIM slot on this device, and it can have its own data connection similar to a brand new car. This system is fully compatible with Android devices and will have a full video that shows Android Auto also. Because we use top-of-the-line components, including a custom machined heatsink, and we do all of our engineering data in the United States, where we gather our data off American-spec vehicles to make sure all the features work flawlessly, we can provide you with a 3-year warranty that we call the Hamilton Guarantee. It means we're going to treat you the way we would want to be treated. We also have concierge-style tech support available to help you if you have questions before, during, or after your purchase. You can give us a call at 919-858-2890, and you can talk to me or one of my team members. I'm Dave with Hamilton Motor Company. We're grateful for the chance to serve you, and I'll see you in the next video.